What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite chef, Starlina Marie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Japanese mushroom soup. So today we're going to be using some Progresso vegetable broth, and we're going to go ahead and use 3 cups of that vegetable broth. Just want to fill it up just like that. Alright, now that you've got your 3 cups of vegetable broth, and what you want to do is go ahead and boil this on medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. While that's over there boiling, you want to get you a celery stalk and get you some spring onion. I'm just going to go ahead and chop me up a few pieces of it to boil into the soup. As it finishes boiling, we're going to go ahead and add those into the soup in just a minute. Now we just want to go ahead and season our soup with a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of ginger, or you can add fresh ginger into it while you add the celery as well. I did not have fresh ginger, so I used ginger powder. And then you want to go ahead and just stir it like that on medium heat. And then you're going to go ahead and put the lid back on and allow it to boil for an additional 10 minutes. While that's still boiling, you want to go ahead and saute your mushrooms in a separate pan. Or you can also do this before you add the broth in and just put it to the side, but I decided to do it while it was boiling. So you want to go ahead and get you some minced garlic. You can get fresh minced garlic, but unfortunately I didn't have fresh minced garlic. And also you're going to want to go ahead and season your mushrooms with a little bit of ginger and onion powder, just like how you season the soup. And then you want to get you about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, you can use peanut oil to saute your mushrooms in. All I did right here was add me just a little bit of black pepper for extra flavor. Steaming them on low heat is very optional. It depends on how you like your mushrooms. After those extra 10 minutes is up, you should go ahead and check your soup and see if the celery has been boiling well enough. If the celery looks fully boiled, what you want to go ahead and do is prepare to drain it in just a minute after it sits. You want to go ahead and check on your mushrooms, see if they're cooking properly. After the soup sits for about 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and drain it. Alright, you guys, now you want to go ahead and prepare to pour this back into the pot, just like this. Please be very careful while doing this because the soup can be very hot, as you can see. Alright, then you want to go ahead and add your mushrooms into the soup and let those boil for about 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, it smells so amazing. Like, the aroma is crazy. It smells exactly like Japanese soup. Alright, now if you haven't already did this, go ahead and chop you up some more of that spring onion, or green onion as I say, and go ahead and prepare to pour that inside of your soup for the last touch. Alright, now your soup is pretty much done. You just want to go ahead and boil it for an additional 5 minutes to your preference. And it's hot and ready to serve. And it should look somewhat like this in the following picture. If you guys enjoyed this video, please follow me on Instagram and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.